Hey guys, it's Cam Angel Dream Crafts, and as promised, I am back with my second video of amazing and beautiful happy mail. I am so blessed to have the friends that I do because they're so incredibly talented. And look at this. Look at this beautifulness right here. This happy mail is actually a combo birthday Christmas happy mail from my friend, my sweet friend, Miss Amy Love. And I'm going to have a link to Amy's channel down below. If you're not subbed to her, first of all, why? But please go over and sub to her. She's so talented. We've been crafty besties now, let's see, probably about 3 years, I would think. Am I right, Ames? And we have a little saying between the two of us, you know. And she actually made a banner with that little saying on here. And of course, I was very touched when I saw that because it, okay, I cried. But anyway, I was so overwhelmed when I saw that she had done this. My friends are so thoughtful, my goodness. I'm just truly blessed to have them in my life. I really am. But she made me this banner, which is going to hang up in my craft room, and I will show you what it says. I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out very shortly. This says, this is the letter I, and Amy printed this off on fabric, and look what she did. She went around it with some distress ink, and I've never done that before, but look at the lovely tone, shadow that gave. I love that. So yeah, I'm probably going to steal that idea off you, Ames. Hope you don't mind. And she made me this beautiful, beautiful piece, and look, it's got rhinestones. It's just gorgeous. There's the back. It's beautifully finished on muslin. I just love it. Love it. So it says, I love, and this piece again, also beautiful, gorgeous roses up here, rosette trim. Look at how pretty. Isn't it amazing with the little rhinestones she put everywhere? I just love it. And the rose trim, these are chaos for you. And I actually think she has a video of this on her channel. So when you go over to sub, if you haven't already, or if you are a subby, see if you can find this video, because I think she did a tutorial on this as well. So it says, I love you. Again, beautiful. Look at sparkly too. I love the sparkle. And the last one says, man. So that's what we say to each other. I love you, man. It's kind of our little catchphrase. And so I love that she did that. It really touches my heart. I'm so happy that she did that. So that is my beautiful banner, I love you, man. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it. So look how pretty that's going to be in my room. I'm so excited to hang it up. So yes, that is going to be hanging up in my room very shortly. So that was at the top of the box. And then under that was this beautiful little bag. I'm sorry, I need another sip of coffee. Sorry, guys. Look at this beautiful bag. And I think she even did a video on this too. Luscious dangles. So pretty. I would actually use this if I was going somewhere fancy. I'd use this. I really would for a clutch. It's gorgeous. She has her little thing there. I love that. It says handmade, homemade just for you by Amy Love. Ah. And then she made this beautiful flower, because she knows gray is my other favorite color, out of this beautiful gray satin, and she's got this little heart bling in it. I love it. So inside this was some more luscious goodies. So excited about this. So I have the bag also as a gift. Let's not forget that beautifulness. But also, let's do it this way. She made me this adorable little mini dream catcher. Amy makes dream catchers, and look at how sweet that is. That's going to hang probably right here on my desk, I think. So I love how she did that. And I believe she used Oh, it's fabric. Oh, is that the Tilda fabric, Amy? Oh my gosh, I just noticed that. I actually sent Amy some Tilda fabric for her birthday, and I think she's used some of that to make the dream catcher. That's kind of adorable. I didn't notice that before, Amy. I love that you did that. Aw, isn't it pretty? I love it. So I think I'm going to hang that right here. Let's do that right now. Or maybe not, because my fingers won't work to get the... There. There we go. Right there. So I look at it. Okay, and then inside also was this beautiful bundle of white eyelash trim, which is a lifesaver to me because I had about that much left. And I do not have a Hobby Lobby here or a Joann's or anything like that because we don't have those in Canada. We do have a Michael's, but the closest Michael's to me is an hour and a half away. So Amy kindly went to Hobby Lobby and got some of this and sent me some. So thank you so much for that because I use this a lot and I love eyelash trim. So thank you, Amy, for that. And of course, seam binding. And then she sent me this beautiful beaded trim, and I don't use a ton of beaded trim. And the blue that I did have was like a darker blue than this. This is kind of like an ice blue, and I really love this one. This is more my color here, and you can see how pretty that is. It's really like a light sky ice blue, I want to say. So it's different than the other blue that I had. So she sent me a nice big piece of that. So thank you, Amy. I love it. And then, of course, this is amazing. Wait till you see this, guys. Look at this piece. Woo! Check that out. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I am going to do something, but it's going to have to be like a super special project. These flowers are dimensional. Like, they're amazing. They're amazing. Oh, I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Look at all that sparkle on there. So gorgeous. I love that. So yeah, my friends have my color down. We'll just say that. They know what I like. So thank you so much, Amy, for that. And then Amy knows that I am trying to organize my craft room. And she made me the most amazing. And I hope I can get this in camera. It has all these luscious dangles at the bottom. This is a wall organizer made out of muslin. I almost got it all in, and it has all these beautiful pockets in it, and there's a space on the back to put a dowel through it, so I can hang it up and have this for storage in my craft room. And there's actually, I think, 3 pockets at the bottom, but look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Like, oh, I mean, it's amazing. I love these pearls here too. See those? Just beautiful. But, oh my gosh, this must have taken you forever to make because there's so much on here. Like, there is beads and lace at the top and lace. Then you made the pockets, obviously, and then decorated the pockets, and then all these buttons here that you put on. Like, it must have taken forever. And then you put this beautiful pearl trim here, and then a rose trim, and then you made these 3 pockets, more lace, and then appliques with flowers on top, and then all these gorgeous, gorgeous dangles at the bottom. Like, oh my goodness, this must have taken you forever. It's all sewn. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. This is such the perfect gift because who can't use storage in their craft room? Especially me. She knows what my craft room is a hot mess at any given day. So, yeah, she sewed it all. There's the back. Beautiful. She did such a good job on it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for that, Ames. It's so amazing. I can't wait to hang this up and put things in it. I don't know what I'm going to put in it. I might put my punches in it. I don't know. I don't have a lot of punches. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But I might just hang it up and look at it because it's so pretty. So she made me that, which is just so amazing. And then, last but not least, she made me this giant piece of Lush. Look at, you can see already. What could it be? Look at all this on the bottom, first of all. She made me a embroidery hoop dream catcher. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all in, but look at, isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? She made all these little yo-yo flowers in the blue satin. She's used blue appliques here with the pearls on them. It's beautiful doily. It's got some tiny little gimp trim here, and I think the background is like a blue satin, and then she's got this beautiful trim all the way around it. Yeah, you can see that's the blue satin, and it's an embroidery hoop. And then look at all this at the bottom. Like, woo! It's amazing. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I have this hanging in my living room because I just love it. Look, it's got this beautiful tulle flower here too with the bling center. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Oh, I didn't notice. She's got some tulle over top of the blue satin. Wow. Right? I mean, it must have taken her forever to tear all of these. But it's like super lush. I love it. It's got eyelash trim in it. This is muslin, I guess, or linen. Beautiful lace. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So, yes, this is from my crafty bestie, Miss Amy Love. Thank you, Amy. I'm just so touched with everything that you have sent me. I love everything. I do. I love you, man. I love you, man. So please go over and sub to Amy if you are not already. You can see what talent this lady has. So please do go over and sub to her. And thank you from the bottom of my heart, Amy. You know I love you, girl. Mwah. And I will be back with another video soon, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.